Hi everyone, AK here. In this video I'm going to share with you another strategy or hack that you can use to boost your sales and conversion, and it is using affiliate programs. It's very powerful strategy to use affiliate because you're going to reward your customers or members by allowing them to make commission from any referrals that they refer to your product or service. So basically in my membership I give 30% recurring income commission for anyone who refers any new members or clients to me. So it depends on your product or service. If it's a recurring service, it's better to offer a recurring referral fee, or you can just do it one time. And also you can do if it's one time product, also you can do just a fixed fee for as a referral fee. You can use different platforms to activate your referral program. I use a service called Thrive Card. It's an amazing service that you can build cards and some checkout landing pages, and also you can activate a referral program through it with many functionalities. Some people use the referral program of Kajabi or like ClickFunnels. So depending on what you are using as a software, but I highly recommend that you use Thrive Card and to use this strategy to reward your the people who refer for you new clients or customers. Thank you so much, and see you soon with another video. Hey there, AK here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like full access to the complete step-by-step how-to video series, plus access to a one-on-one coaching with me to help you build and scale your business to the next level with less time, effort, and cost, please join the Efficientpreneur Club at efficientpreneurclub.com. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or share your comments below, and see you soon with another video.